So at first I chose Shibaura Institute of Technology just because it was the only one that could accept students that just speak English, that didn't speak Japanese.
I would say Japan is very welcoming to international students, especially in SIT. I feel very welcome here. And Japan is very safe, one of the safest countries in the world, I would say.
There are multiple courses in English you can take, which is very nice. And it's also regardless of your major, you can choose how many courses you want. So it's very cool.
So I thought that it would be like half Japanese and half English. But then the people who are teaching the English courses, even the professors, they're like fluent in English. So I'm sure something I was surprised by.
Shibaura Institute of Technology was founded in 1927 as a University of Science and Technology by Dr. Shiro Arimoto. The university was founded to promote the founding spirit, nurture engineers who learn from society and contribute to society. This remains the fundamental of our education.
SIT has a high level of research capability while covering most of the fields of science and engineering. Mechanical, material, chemistry, biotechnology, electrical, electronic, computer science, architecture, civil engineering, and design engineering.
In light of the ongoing globalization of society, we began full-fledged internationalization efforts about 20 years ago. In 2014, we were selected for the Top Global University Project, which is a program strongly supported by Japanese government for the globalization of universities, and this will further accelerate our internationalization. We are working hard to become the most globally open science and engineering university in Japan.
We prepare many types of programs: Global PBL, course taking, laboratory internship, and research exchange. You must find a program that suits you here in SIT.
SIT has two campuses, Toyosu and Omiya. The Omiya campus is located about 1 hour from central Tokyo and surrounded by full of greenery. It is often called the Green Campus. The other is the Toyosu campus, located near Tokyo Bay in central Tokyo.
I feel like they really shouldn't see language as a barrier to come to a country like Japan. And as of the programs and the classes itself, it's very high quality and it's also up to date is what is my opinion. So I feel like I would like to welcome more students and for more students to know about the university in general. Yeah.
I mean, to everyone who's not sure about taking a semester abroad, I would say just do it, because it is a once-in-a-lifetime experience and probably one you will never forget. So you get to know so many new, cool, nice people and also learn so much for your whole life, I think, for me.